Students, in the last video, I explained how to complete two problems in the part B. Now, in this video also, I want to extend further how to complete the remaining problems. Okay. Now, already we have done one A4 sheet, two problems in one A4 sheet, right? Now, this time, what you will do is you can simply copy this A4 sheet side by side, like use CO, can use CO, copy, enter, select this complete A4 sheet, enter. You can choose any base point. You can copy here. Number of copies you can make, escape. Now, what you have to do is change the problem number. The next problem will be 6, 7 is over, 8, 9 is over. Now, 10 or 11. Now, I suppose 10th problem I am selecting. Now, if we don't want these things, you can delete, but you keep the booklet number as it is. Now, in the problem number 10 or 11, you're supposed to answer plane projections. Previously, we have done point projections and line projections of lines. Now, this time, projections of planes. Now, here what we have to do is, you know, plane projections, maybe if the problem is very tough, you may have two steps. Okay. Two steps means answer will be, you can complete the answer in two stages, right? So first thing is you draw one reference line, a long reference line. You can use text command, write X, Y. To repeat the command, you can use space bar. I'm using space bar. Now you can zoom in or zoom out as per your convenience. Now, for example, a pentagonal plane, its surface is inclined to HP, perpendicular to VP. Okay, that inclination is given some 30 degrees to HP, and other data may be given. So roughly I am drawing, use poly command, PO polygon. Pentagon, because select 5 sides, enter. Immediately is asking center of the polygon, we don't require. Here you see option, edge option. You can select edge option or you can select E, enter. Now you can choose any where you want to exactly draw the pentagon. Now you can enter the side of the pentagon, something like 25 or 30 mm is given in the problem itself. Now this is the way you need to draw the pentagon first. The next thing is, you know, text command. You can use every corner you have to name, right? Something like A, again B, C, D. Because top view ABCDs you can write. I suppose you want to move this A little bit close to the pentagon, M. Select this one. Like this, you can move. Okay. Like this. I'm repeating the move command. You can choose anywhere. So while moving, you can sometimes require to turn off this 90 degree. Okay. So see that this 90 degree is very important option. Okay. While doing all these things. Now use line command, draw the projectors, tab, repeat the line command. For repeating, I am using tab, right? Again, repeat, I am using the space bar. Now, if you want to draw a line on the reference line, you can draw a line like this. Rest of the things you keep as it is. You need not to erase all those things. Suppose if you don't want, you can erase, trim. In the AutoCAD 2020, sometimes trim may not work, but it is working. But the only thing is, operation is different. TR, enter, enter. 2 times you need to enter. Then you can select, you can trim. In this way, in AutoCAD 2020, you have to use the trim option. Now text command you can use. Here it is A prime, comma, B is also there, B prime. Next, you can choose this point, something like C prime, E prime. Again, text can repeat, can use D prime. Okay, you can place ABCDs at required positions by using move command. Okay, now the second step, this is the first step. Okay, remember you need to give problem number clearly. Okay, and you can also give some colors to the projector lines, but anyway we are doing black and white printing, right? So that is not mandatory. Okay, but keep the text clearly, and if at all required, you can use point wherever the corners are there. Use points like this. That gives more clarity. Okay, now here also better you keep the points. Now for temporarily you can delete this reference line. Now use copy, select all these objects. See, text is copied, and the front view line is also copied, including that points. Okay, enter. You select the base point somewhere here itself. Okay, draw one more front view, escape. Why I have taken this copy? Because next step is we need to rotate as per the given conditions in the problem. Now rotate, RO, enter, select this entire thing, again enter, select the base point here itself. Now turn off this 90-degree, because when you turn on, it will rotate only 90 degrees. Okay, so now you can see the blue angle here in blue color. So make it 30, enter. That's it. Now my problem is almost completed. Use line command from this point. Now again turn on right 90-degree, draw lines like this. Again repeat. For repeating, I am using space button. Again repeating. Again from horizontal projectors. Again from A, draw horizontal projectors. Repeat. I'm repeating the command. Again I'm repeating to draw the line command. To draw the lines, I am repeating the command once again using space bar. Now almost my problem is over. Now you select again line. See, A versus A dash. So this is my point. So you can directly choose PO. So this is my A dash versus A. B dash, again repeat, B dash versus B here. C dash versus C here. D dash, here is D dash and D. This is D versus this is D dash, right? So in this way you can choose. Very simple, right? Now you can select the line command, join all the points. Turn off this 90-degree, at all required. Okay. Some mistake is there. Just you select this line, delete, select this. Again, line command from center to center, join. Escape. Somewhere one mistake. Yeah. Delete this one. Actually, this is not the point. PO. This is the point, right? E point. Now take L line. Now join. Escape. Everything is fine. Almost you will get 9 or 10 marks, provided you give the names and dimensions properly. Again, I am taking T command. I am writing here A. Here it is B. Like that you can continue and name the entire problem. So from problem 3, it is on planes, 10th number or 11th number. You are having choice. You can answer 10 or 11. You will get 9 or 10 marks, no doubt. Okay. If you give proper dimensioning and all. Okay. So lastly, so go to dimension. From you give one side, that is sufficient, right? The advantage of copying this rectangle, first rectangle here is you need not again set ST. All those things are not required. Everything is fine. So with this problem, you have completed 3 problems out of 5 problems. Okay. Again, plot. Take drawing to PDF. 297 by 210 ISO. You can choose. Then display, window. Now this rectangle box, we need to select both the corners. Then center the plot. No need to change. You keep it fit to paper. Okay. Fit to paper. And landscape. It is important. Now preview. Everything is fine, right? See, your booklet number is printed, typed. Okay. You need to type. Okay. Since already we copied, again, you need not type this booklet number. This is automatically comes when you copy. Okay. Everything is fine, right? You need not erase all these extra lines because not required. We have done that work also we have to show. Okay. And if you want to edit, again, escape, cancel. Suppose I want to give some angle value 30 degrees. Just here annotate. See this dimension. Here there is a small scroll down button. Here you see, yeah, this is angular. You select angular. So you can select any horizontal line and angular line. You can easily get the angle. Everything is fine now. Okay. Now Control P or plot you can choose. Display window. Zoom out. Now you can select these corner points. Center the plot. Landscape. Everything is okay, right? Landscape. Why preview is not coming? Because none here. Sorry, this printer you choose drawing to PDF. Landscape. Okay. Now here again it is in portrait mode. Make sure it is ISO 297 by 210. Now it is okay. Now you are able to see the preview. Now everything is fine. We have given dimension. Pentagon, all sides are equal. One dimension is sufficient. Okay. Front view length is not required to mention. You see all ABCDs are marked. Okay. Everything is fine. You will get 10 out of 10. Okay. Now, after preview is, if you are happy, right click, plot, desktop. You can save with the problem number 10. Okay. Save something like, because your desktop you are only using, you know where you have kept all the things. Okay. Save. That's it. So maybe in the next video, I will explain how to complete the remaining 2 problems. Thank you.